everyone, I'm Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun review for you guys, as well as that on the body portion that you just watched. I hope you enjoyed that and found it helpful. Today I have the brand new Jujube Be Cool here in Hello Bakery. You guys, this print, it's so adorable. I love it so much. These colors are amazing. But besides that, this is just a great little new addition to Jujube's line of bags. So this is their newest lunch style bag. So it is an insulated bag that you can use to cool your bottles or even keep them warm. You can pack your child's lunch in this and send them to school with it, or you could just use it for yourself. So there's so many different things you can do with this bag, and today I'm going to show you guys how to pack it two different ways, and I'm also going to show you it compared to the Fuel Cell, which is Jujube's other lunch bag, which is a little bit bigger and holds a little bit more. So as you saw in the first part of the video, this bag comes with a strap. You can choose to use this or not. It is detachable, which is awesome. You can also wear it over your shoulder. You can wear it as cinched, as tight as it can go, like I have it. So you can kind of just carry it like this. You can even carry it up under your arm a little higher. I did try to wear it crossbody with it as long as it would go, and it was just not long enough. And you guys know I'm 5'2", so me being that short, it was just still a little too high for me. But if you have a child, they can easily wear this bag crossbody. So that is awesome. This bag comes with one zipper pull. It opens in a U shape, and it looks like this on the inside. So it is your usual looking insulated type of lunchbox on the inside, whereas the Fuel Cell always has a lining with the insulation. So it's a little bit different this time around. But I love the height of this bag. You can fit 3 bottles all the way across. You can also fit in an ice pack, and that is how I'm going to show it to you first. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first way I'm going to pack this bag is with these bottles. So let's go ahead and open it up. You also, by the way, have this really awesome little pocket in the front here. And you can put lots of things down in there. Let's go ahead and fill this up. So this is what the inside looks like. The first thing I'm going to put in there is this ice pack, just in case you want to keep your bottles cold. So I'm going to put 1. And at first it's going to look like you're only going to be able to fit 2. But it does expand out to the sides just a little bit. So you can squeeze in 1 more. So this is how it's going to start. Like this, then you're gonna squeeze them together like that, okay? And that way you can fit 3 bottles in and still keep it nice and streamlined looking. And they fit no problem in there with an ice pack. So now that you guys have seen how great this bag can hold baby bottles and keep them nice and cold for you, let's see how it works as a lunch bag. So the next way we're gonna pack the Be Cool is as a lunch box. So let's get started. Open it up like this. I have my sandwich in a Systema container here. Down in the front, I have some apple juice that I'm going to put down in the front as well. A fruit pouch, a granola bar, and as you guys can see, I still have lots of room on top here. So I can put my apple, and I can put an ice pack if I want one on here. So you guys have lots of room up in here. Even on top now, there's still room up there. So that is packed as a lunchbox. So here I have my Fuel Cell and Whimsical Whisper next to Hello Bakery. They're both beautiful prints. But as you guys can see, this one is much more collapsible and practically goes flat. So there's a huge difference right there. This one is freestanding and it is more rigid. And yeah, that's pretty great to me. This one, if you don't have much in it, it kind of slouches a little bit, but it also makes it easier to squeeze into bags. If you don't want to fill it up all the way, it kind of smushes so that you can fit more stuff, so I really like that. Now this bag, you guys already saw how many bottles I could fit into the Be Cool, so let's see how many I can fit into the Fuel Cell, because this bag is pretty expandable. So we've got 1 bottle, 2, 3. Let's see if I can show you guys. This can actually hold 4 bottles. Do you see that empty space over here? So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in with a few more things. I'm going to put in a Juicy Juice, a ice pack, an apple, and that is all I'm going to put in there right now. If I had something a little bit more flat, I could still fit more in here. So this bag can fit 3 bottles. With an ice pack, this one can fit more. So hopefully that helps you guys with size reference. So now for the fun part of this video. As you guys saw in the title, this also includes a giveaway, so make sure you guys click the link down below, head over to my Instagram, and you can win yourself a brand new Be Cool in Hello Bakery. It is super cute. I love it so much. This print is releasing on October 29th at 4 p.m. and I would love if you guys would shop Jujubee with me. I will leave my affiliate link down below in the description, and I would love if you'd shop with me. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching!